Hello guys, so today we are making moong dal mughlai, or you can say moong dal makhani. So here are all the ingredients which we need. We need moong, which is soaked for about 5 to 6 hours. You all can even soak it for 12 hours. Then we have salt, we have turmeric, we have chili powder, we have jeera. You all can also use shah jeera if you want. Then we have finely chopped onion. Then we have roughly chopped onion. We have coriander, we have green chilies, we have ginger, we have asparagus, hing, we have curd, 1 cup curd, and then so I'm going to make for 4 people. So I take it according to my arm. So I've taken 5 arms of dal. I don't know what we say. So let's start the process. So firstly in the pan we're going to take 1 tablespoon, 1 big spoon of ghee. Then we're going to add, let it just heat. So you all can even make it in the cooker, but then in cooker it just gets mushy, like it gets full to chiku chiku. So I'm going to make it in kadai. And here is our oil, and then I'm going to use like about 1 spoon of jeera. So all of it is going to get cooked, so we don't have to worry about that. Then you all remember the roughly chopped onion which we had. I'm going to put in these roughly chopped onion also. We do not have to wait for them to cook because it will get cooked with the dal. And then now we're going to add our dal in it. And then we're going to add about 2 cups of water. There's already water in it, so we'll wait for it to cook. Meanwhile, we'll also add our ingredients, raw masalas, which is about 1 spoon of salt, and then a little red chili powder, and a very small pinch of coriander powder. Okay, so we're going to wait for it to cook. Let's just be on medium flame for about 10 to 20 minutes. Because I soaked it a long time, it will not take much. So about 20 minutes, and then meanwhile we'll start making our chalk. And then in a pan we're going to take about 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee, which I've already added. We're going to wait for it to get heated. And then as soon as it is heated, we're going to add our ingredients like jeera again, a little jeera. Then we will add our garlic. So after putting our garlic, we're going to add our green chilies, our chopped onion. So we're going to wait for them to turn golden brown. So just to expedite the process, we'll add a pinch of salt, because salt helps cooking faster. Why have we used oil and ghee is because when you use ghee, it burns. It cooks really fast and it burns. So that is the reason we add oil if we have a long process of cooking. As now we can see that it has started turning translucent. At this point of time, we're going to add hing. Now as we can see, it has turned golden brown in nice color. At this point of time, we're going to add our masalas, dry masalas, which is, now we will add our turmeric. We'll add a little of red chili too, because we've already put a lot in there. Then we'll add a little of salt also. And then we'll add lots of coriander powder. Coriander powder. Let me mix it. And now, after mixing all this, we're going to add curd. Yes. So we'll add about half cup of curd. We have to just lower the gas. How beautiful it looks. And we need to cook until, the curd is going to leave its oil, I'll show you how it is going to look. So it will take about 5 minutes, I guess, about 3 to 4 minutes. Let's just take 5 minutes, because we're doing it on a lower gas, lower flame. Now we can see that it has started losing its oil, right? It started, leaving its oil. The curd has started leaving its oil. This is when you understand that, yes, it is cooked. Now let's wait for our dal to get cooked. This is how our dal is. Yeah, nicely cooked, because it's soaked it for a long time, right? That is why it was cooked early. And now we're going to mash like 40% of the dal, and then we'll add both of it. So as soon as I add, I'll show it to you all how will it look. So this is how it looks. I have added the chalk in this, and I've also added like 1 cup of water, because we wanted to cook. So we're going to cook for next more 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'll show you end results. We can actually have it with basmati rice, and we can have it with roti. We can have it anyways. So I'm going to make both today. Let's see how it tastes. And here it is, our moong dal nawabi and mughlai. And moong dal makhani. You can have it with rice or either with chapati. I prefer it with rice.